Private island rich, me too. But let's be real. The get-rich-quick schemes are just a dream. Forget the fancy cars and extravagant lifestyles. Real wealth isn't always about flashy displays. It's about having control over your finances, living comfortably, and securing your future. But how do you get there? The secret might be hiding in plain sight, in the habits of everyday millionaires you wouldn't even suspect. And it all starts with a simple $900 trick. The truth is, building real wealth takes strategy and, you guessed it, some serious investing. Now, hold on to your wallets, because I'm about to drop a money-making bomb. The $900 trick to jumpstart your path to riches. Okay, it's not a magic trick, but it's pretty darn close. See, $900 might not sound like much, but what if I told you it could be the seed money that grows your wealth into a millionaire empire? That's right. Here's the secret. Invest that $900 wisely. It could be a starting point for a diversified portfolio, a down payment on a rental property, or even seed money for your next big business idea. The key is to get your money working for you. Investing allows you to harness the power of compound interest, where your money grows on itself over time. The earlier you start, the bigger that pile of cash gets. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing sounds complicated? Don't worry, it doesn't have to be. There are tons of resources available online and through financial advisors. The $900 trick got me started. I invested in some online courses, learned about stocks, and now I'm managing a small portfolio. I used $900 to invest in a local coffee shop. Now it's generating passive income, and I'm planning to open another one. See? The $900 trick is a springboard. It jumpstarts your journey to becoming an investing pro. Now remember, becoming a millionaire isn't guaranteed, but with the right strategy and a focus on smart investments, you're building a future of wealth and freedom. Here's how to get started with the $900 trick. Find your $900, look for ways to save or earn extra cash, side hustles, negotiating bills, anything goes. Do your research. Learn about different investment options, stocks, bonds, real estate. Find what fits your risk tolerance and goals. Start small. You don't need a fortune to invest. The $900 trick is your stepping stone. Seek guidance. If you're new, consider talking to a financial advisor. This is your chance to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a life of luxury. Remember, the rich don't work for money. Their money works for them. Let the $900 trick be the spark that ignites your wealth-building journey. Want more tips on investing and building wealth? Subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell. Let's get rich together the smart way. Smart way.